This is my last year as a member of ASB. After 2 years of creating, doing all that we do, I doubt more than half of you know what my position is. Maybe even my name. But that's just fine. Some of these people over here may be doing it for popularity, maybe doing it for a resume. There are plenty of them doing it because they actually want to do something with the school. In the end of it, it doesn't matter who knows me, who I know. It matters what I've done throughout the years. Not everything's been good, but it's been done. So you guys, when you're looking at people voting, you need to look at people that want to get it done, want to do things, because there are plenty of things to do. And to the candidates, the things that you need to get doing, there's a secret to it. The secret is the people. These people, this is for you guys. These people know everything. They know what they want to see. They know what fun is. They know how it should be done. So you just open your ears and listen to them. Things will get done. It'll make them happy. It'll make you guys happy. It'll make you guys look really good. That's all that needs to happen. So think, who's going to listen? Who's going to do things for you? With that in mind, Christian Barrientos.
Hey HS, I've been waiting for this day for a really long time. I'm dreaming of the day to tell you how much I care about you guys. It's an awesome opportunity to serve you through ASB. As Vice President, I will do my best to make our school feel like home. So don't be shy and give Chris a try. Thank you.